Hey, Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV here with another quick tip. I want to take a few minutes and go over a fairly common radar obstructed error message you get in a Honda, what it means, and how to fix it. If you've ever driven through poor weather conditions, you've probably encountered this alert on your driver display. It says, some driver assist systems cannot operate, radar obstructed. First off, don't worry, there's nothing wrong with your vehicle. It just means that some or all of the Honda sensing safety systems have been turned off as a precaution. The most likely cause is that something like snow, freezing rain, or mud is blocking your vehicle's radar and preventing it from working properly. Features like collision mitigation braking system and adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow rely on the radar to function. To fix this, pull over when you're safely able to do so and clean off the radar. On some Honda models, the radar will actually be located behind the H emblem on the grille, while other models, like the HR-V, CR-V, Accord, Civic, and Insight, will have it in other spots. You can also look in your owner's manual to find the radar spot. Clear your windshield with the wipers to make sure nothing is also blocking the front-facing camera. I'd recommend cleaning off your rear-view camera too, that way you always have a clear view when backing up. One more note, you could also get the radar obstructed warning in heavy snowfall or fog. This is letting you know the camera or radar can't see well enough to use the systems, but things should return to normal once the weather clears. If the error message persists with a clean radar and in nice weather, you should probably take your vehicle in to get checked. And remember, Honda Sensing is meant to help keep you safe on the road, but isn't a substitute for driving. You need to remain alert and aware anytime you're behind the wheel. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other quick tips.